Teas, what's poppin'? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, you guys. I hope you all are doing well. Before we begin, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, you guys. Make sure you click that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. As you've seen in the title and thumbnail, you know I'm doing a, I'm doing a review on this unit from UNICE Hair. I believe that's how you say their name. UNICE Hair. They have sent me this hair and I love it. And I got the details. All right, let's start the unboxing. This is a wig from the Betty U series. And they sent your girl some goodies. So let's see what's in the box. Let's see. All right, so you know they gave your girl, a wig cap, because we gotta have the wig cap, okay? Keep that real hair safe. And they sent your girl some other goodies. Let's open it and see what's in there. All right, so they sent your girl some lashes. Oh, I love these lashes. They're so nice and thick. I love them. Yes. And they also had sent your girl this cute little headband. I've been rocking this headband while I be working out and stuff. And of course, the wig unit. This wig unit does have 2 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back in the nape area. And this also came with the baby hairs, which I'm about to show. And it also came pre-plucked as well. But I went in and pre-plucked it a little bit more to make it that scalp effect. But yeah. As you've seen with the unboxing, I showed you everything that came in the box. And everything, how it looked underneath the cap and everything. So now I'm showing you how it looks applied on to my head. And I did the wig install myself, so it's very easy to do. If you guys want a wig install video, make sure you let me know in the comments below, and I'll show you how I lay down my wigs. I like to do it nice and simple. So if you're like a beginner, get at your girl, I got you, all right? But I got the wig details, and we're gonna dive into it. Just a quick little review, and I'll let you know how I've been rocking her, how everything's been going. So let's get into the details first. All right, so this wig that I have on my head, like I said, is from UNICE Hair. This is a, yeah, I can't talk and read. This is a, I'm gonna read you everything they have, oh my God, y'all, I'm tongue tied. I think it's because it's lollipop. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna read everything they have on the brochure, okay? This is a UNICE curly lace front human wig. It's a 13x4 HD lace frontal, 150% density, okay. Natural color, Betty U series. Like I said, this is a 13x4, 150% density, and this is in 24 inches. So this is 24 inches. I'm just going to show you in a minute how the back looks as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, pretty much. But it was pretty easy. It was pretty easy to put on, you guys. All I did was, I did pluck the frontal a little bit, of course. We always have to pluck it. I also did, bleach my knots. I hate saying that. I'm like, nuts. I also bleached my knots. I bleached my knots. I also bleached my knots as well. So and it turned out really good, so they're not orange or no crazy fucking color. We don't have time for orange knots, you guys. So they look really good. But this is how she's really looking now. I wanted her to be a little bit bushy because I just got done making some content and I have this little bra on and I want her to be kind of bushy. So this is her like kind of like blow dried out a little bit, if you can see. But when she's like wet and damp, okay, she's giving me what we love, Puerto Rican. She's giving me chili from TLC, no scrubs, okay. But yeah, I'm really feeling her, you guys. This is how she's looked, if I can see. Look in the back. So she's like in the middle of my back. Okay. Yeah. But she is very easy to put on, you guys. I'm gonna leave the link to her in the description below, so if you are interested in the unit, just click on the subscription, If you are interested in this wig unit, I'm going to leave the link in the description below. So just click on the link and it will send you right to her so you can purchase her. Yeah, so this is her. So make sure that you give her a try if you want some real curly hair. About to go on the beach trip. She'll get you right. She will. Also, I want to give a shout out to UNICE for this hair. Y'all guys did a great job on this unit. I love her. She's one of my favorites. Y'all, I have so many wigs in my closet. Like, this is really crazy. But I'm going to keep the wig reviews coming for you guys. I know this is what y'all like and what y'all love. And I love doing them too. So, yeah. And also, if you want to collab with me, make sure you email me at booknekeith@gmail.com. Once again, it's in the description below. Just email me so we can link up and work together. Also, you can head to my website as well, www.nekeith.com, so we connect. And also follow me on my social media as well. You know, you can follow me on my Instagram, on everything at official Nekeith. And I follow everybody back, like for real. I follow everybody back. And I unfollow bitches too. So I don't think you're gonna be fucking slick, because I do got the notifications, bitch. Okay? Alright, but once again, you guys, thank you so much for tuning into this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this wig review and unboxing video for this nice unit, and I'll see you guys on my next video. You guys, I love you so much, royalties, as always and forever. Have a great day and stay royal. Bye, royalties.